Here is how to change your Outlook email password on any device. So this method will work on any device, including iPhones, Android phones, computers, PCs, anything like that. So remember that you cannot change your password directly within the Outlook application. Instead, you will need to open a web browser and go to Microsoft.com. Then after, click on Sign in the top right corner. Sign into your specific account, which is also linked to your Outlook account. Then after, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Select My Microsoft Account. You need to again sign into your account for verification. Click on Send Code or Use a Password. I'm going to go ahead and use the Send Code option. Go ahead and copy the code, come back and paste it here. And from the left-hand side of the screen, select Security, which is between devices, and Privacy. Now select Change Password in the top. You might be asked to re-enter your current password. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your new password and then re-enter it in the other field. If you want Microsoft to make you change your password every 72 days, check this box and click on Save. Your Outlook password will now be changed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.